What it do? Welcome to my Veganlicious channel. Today we are going to be making Rasta pasta in the Veganlicious kitchen. Yeah, we are. And let me tell you something before we get started. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here. And how do you do that? You do that by clicking on the subscribe button. And once you do that, you'll be notified every time I post a new video, okay? So we are cooking Rasta pasta today in the Veganlicious kitchen. So let's grab the ingredients and let's get it started. Let's get it started in here, okay? Leave that seed on. So we're gonna use Banza chickpea pasta. This is made with chickpeas, okay? Healthy, not the other stuff, okay? We're gonna use coconut milk, okay? Instead of heavy cream that you non-vegans use, we're gonna use coconut milk, which replaces the heavy cream. We're gonna use Parmesan, Follow Your Heart brand, okay? This is replacing the milk brand that's made with cow milk. You know, we're not doing this. This is made with coconut milk. Lactose-free, soy-free, dairy-free cheese, okay? Then we're going to be using some jerk. Okay, we're going to be using jerk sauce. And I think I said jerk seasoning. Okay, so there's 2 jerks here, okay? We're going to be using minced garlic, purple onion, and we have some coriander and grapeseed oil. Did I say pink salt? Yeah, we mustn't forget our pink salt. Okay, so this is simple, and we're going to use bell peppers. Okay, I'm going to use red and yellow bell peppers. Those are the ones I like, and orange. The multicolor ones. The green is okay, but it's not as sweet as the three colors that I just named. So let's grab that, and then we're going to start preparing. First, y'all should know how to prepare your pasta already. Follow the directions on the box. Boil it, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Be back. Okay, so I put the grapeseed oil in the pan. That's what that is right there, right? So next I'm going to put in a teaspoonful garlic. That's the minced garlic. Right, so we're going to let that heat up. And then the next vegetable will be the onions and the peppers. Let's move that about right there. Don't put too much oil, okay? Because guess what? Oil brings about fat, okay? And it doesn't matter what kind of oil it is. You're going to get fat from the oil. So put as less oil as possible. You're not going to get as fat as you would from like canola oil, vegetable oil, lard, you know, those types of things. Use grapeseed oil, use avocado oil, use olive oil, or use coconut oil, okay? Those are the best oils to use. Or hemp seed oil. Do you have hemp seed oil? I believe they do. Okay? So let's continue on. Continue to put your peppers in. The next, put in your onions. I use red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Okay? The multi-family peppers. And I know a lot of people like green peppers because that's what your mama used back in the days. She wasn't like, you know, open-minded. She stuck to one kind of pepper, so that's what you're used to eating. But open your mind. Your palate should be, you know, experienced. Don't be so closed-minded. Try different foods. Trust and believe you're gonna love what's out there. Okay? So that's cooking. And I don't want it to cook down too much because if you cook it too much, you lose the nutrition. It's full nutrition. Okay, so next I'm going to add in here mushrooms because I don't eat meat, right? So mushrooms is my substitute for meat. Mushrooms is great for the body. And there's many varieties of mushrooms as well. These are baby bella mushrooms. They have oyster mushrooms. They have lobster mushrooms. They have lion mane mushrooms. They have chanterelle mushrooms. There's so many mushrooms out there. Explore, okay? So now I'm gonna start adding seasonings in. So my first seasoning, I'm gonna throw in the jerk sauce. I'm using 1 tablespoon jerk sauce. I might put more in later, depending on, you know, what it tastes like once it's done. You're gonna add in some coriander. My coriander is always stuck, like, come on, it won't come through. Coriander, okay, so that's like a 1/2 teaspoon. Gonna add garlic powder. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more garlic powder in there. I like garlic. Okay, let's add some pink Himalayan salt in here as well. Okay, now that's pretty much ready, cooked. It's not meat, so it doesn't take that long to cook. Now we're going to add in our coconut milk. So let me grab that. Be right back. Okay, opened up the can of coconut milk. Pour that in there. Smelling good up in here. Let that get warm. Mix it up. Now I'm gonna let it simmer for a while. Okay, so your sauce is done, but I'm gonna add some spinach to mine as well. We're gonna make that more healthier. You're gonna mix it up. And we don't want to cook the spinach too much, because again, you will lose the nutrition in it. Okay, so I did add the Parmesan cheese in here as well, so that thickens up your sauce a bit. And always try to get the coconut milk that's full fat coconut milk, okay? It's thicker. All right, so now I'm gonna plate this thing and we're gonna taste things. Okay, so let's pan down. Let me show you what I got going on here. So there's the Rasta pasta with some Parmesan cheese on top. It's looking very flavorful and colorful. Okay, so let's give it a taste. You want to taste? You want some? Rasta pasta. Okay. Trying to get some pasta shells on here at the same time.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
That's good. So let's give it a taste. You want to taste? You want some? Rasta pasta. Okay. It's delicious. It's a lot of flavor in here. The vegetables are still slightly crunchy. Yeah, I'm happy with the results. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you come back and see me, and you do that by, let's pan down a little bit. You do that by subscribing to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button. It's simple, guys. Just hit the hit the subscribe button. Couldn't get it out. And you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. And let me tell you one more thing. If you're interested in buying my Veganlicious ebook, go down to the description box. There's a link there to purchase my ebook. My Cash App is there if you'd like to give me a tip or buy me a matcha. To show your appreciation, you know, just Cash at me. Matcha, a tip. Whatever donation you would like to give. It's not needed, but it would be greatly appreciated, okay? So, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day. You already know, enjoy life. You love you.